Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, to do it we need to power off our device and also remember that if you want to lock the bootloader you need to have the flash, you need to have the stock ROM installed on your phone. Now, to lock the bootloader we need to power off our device first, so hold power button and click on power off. Also we need to have an USB-C cable that is also connected into our computer, it is necessary. And now we need to hold Bixby button and volume down button, those two buttons, at the same time, and while we are holding them we need to insert the USB-C cable into our phone. So hold both keys, insert the cable, don't release the buttons. Okay, if you see the menu you can release. Now hold volume up. Okay, and remember that locking the bootloader will also perform a factory reset of the phone, simply, so everything will be erased, so if you want you can create a backup before you do it. Now to confirm we need to click volume up. The bootloader will be locked right now, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. We also have to go through the setup process, and after that we will verify if everything went successfully. Okay, so for now we can unplug the cable and let's wait until our phone turns on. Okay, the phone has turned on, so let's select our language, click on start, select that you agree, click on next, click on more and agree. We can skip the Wi-Fi network, we will connect to it later. Don't copy. Next. More, accept. Skip anyway. Skip. Finish. Okay, again we need to connect with Wi-Fi, so open up settings, connections, Wi-Fi, select available network, type the password, go back, scroll down, software update, download and install. Okay, we can pause this download. About phone, software information, tap on the build number, it has been enabled, go back, developer options, and we need to now turn off the OEM unlocking, turn it off. Now all we need to do is to restart the phone to use device protection features. We can also turn off the developer options right in here. And now let's reboot our phone. Hold power button, click on restart, tap again. Now our device will be turned on again automatically and our bootloader will be fully locked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.